Kösedere is one of those villages that does not immediately reveal its history. At first glance, it appears quiet and unassuming, set slightly inland from the Aegean coast and close to Tavaklı İskelesi in the Ayvacık district of Çanakkale. But the longer you spend here, the more you begin to sense that this is a place with deep roots and a long memory. Although Kösedere has never been a large town, it has always been active. For generations it has functioned as a rural centre for the surrounding farmland, supporting daily life through agriculture, trade and social exchange. Unlike many villages that have gradually faded, Kösedere has managed to remain alive and functional. Even today, it is a place where people do not simply pass through, but live, work and gather. Walking through the village, everyday life unfolds naturally. There is a health centre, a school, local shops and several tea rooms where people sit, talk and watch the day go by. On Saturdays, the rhythm of the village changes as the weekly market takes place. Fresh vegetables grown in nearby fields and olives from local groves are brought in from the surrounding area, turning the village into a meeting point not just for shopping, but for social life. This weekly gathering has long been one of the anchors of Kösedere's identity. The older heart of the village lies around its historic centre, where traces of the Ottoman period are still clearly visible. Here stands the old village mosque, a modest but dignified structure that has watched over Kösedere for well over a century. According to the sign above its entrance, the mosque was built in 1874. It is a rectangular plan with a pitched roof, typical of rural Ottoman mosques, and it has a minaret constructed from neatly cut stone. In 2017, earthquakes struck Ayvacık and the surrounding region, causing damage to many historic buildings, including this mosque. Since then, extensive restoration work has been carried out. The exterior has been carefully restored and the structure stabilised, returning the building to its former presence within the village. For now, it remains locked, as interior restoration has yet to be completed. The mosque is officially protected, ensuring it will be preserved as part of Kösedere's cultural heritage. Just behind the old mosque are the ruins of an Ottoman period hamam, once an essential part of village life. Built of rubble stone and covered with domes over its main sections, the bathhouse followed the traditional layout of Ottoman rural hammams, with a cool entrance space leading into a heated bathing area. Although the structure is now fragile and partially ruined, both domed sections still survive. Hammams were not built in insignificant places, and its presence confirms that Kösedere once supported a larger population and served as a local social centre. Today, the hammam is officially registered and protected as a cultural heritage structure, standing as a quiet reminder of the village's past importance. As the village modernised, a new mosque was built to serve the community. Construction of the Kösedere Köy Cami began in 1996 and was completed in 2010. While well-sized for a village, Its interior is unexpectedly impressive. Stained glass windows, detailed tiling, and richly coloured carpets give it the atmosphere of a city mosque, reflecting the pride and collective effort of the local community. It is now the active centre of worship in Kösedere. Just outside the village lies a small lake, originally created for agricultural irrigation. Over time it has become one of the most scenic spots in the area. In summer it is possible to walk to the lake directly from the village. In winter access is better by road, but the journey is rewarded with beautiful views. From the far side of the lake, looking back towards Kösedere, the village sits between gentle hills, with the mosques visible in the landscape, a calm and striking scene.
Kösedere sabah olur, güneş sarar tarları. Zeytin ağaçları arasında rüzgar fısıldar dalları. Ah Kösedere sessiz köyüm, kalbim seninle her an. Umut diyezinde, kalbim seninle her an. Özcanım erer, beş baş koyun, anılarla dolu bu diyar. Ah Kösedere sessiz köyüm, kalbim seninle. Omuz yanımda, kalbim seninle her an. Umut izinde, kalbim seninle her an. Üskü cam verer, dış saç koyun, anılarla dolu yay ve taşı. Geçmiş ve bugün rastlarsa ruhum sana aşık. Eskide akkeler var, anılar dolu bu diyar. Üskü cam ve hamam taşları, anılarla dolu bu diyar.
The land surrounding Kösedere explains why people have remained here for so long. Olive groves, vegetable fields and grazing land stretch across the countryside, supporting a way of life closely tied to the soil. Much of what can be seen today would have been familiar to earlier generations. Kösedere is not defined by a single monument or moment in time. Its story is one of continuity, written in its buildings, its market, its farmland and its daily routines. And just beyond the village, only a short distance away, lie the remains of ancient Larisa, a quiet reminder that this landscape has been home to people for thousands of years, long before the village we see today took shape.